friends, welcome to the Global Learning. Like our channel, share and subscribe to our channel to get amazing videos on the concept. So today we have come up with the third part of the State Board Organic Chemistry Biomolecules class 12th, and it is a concept which would be helpful in your JEE Mains, Advanced and NEET level MCQs. If you want, अगर आपको PDF notes चाहिए इस वीडियो के, then you can comment. आपको सभी के PDF notes provide हो जाएंगे. So let us start with today's topic, nucleic acid. So nucleic acid दो तरह के होते हैं, एक है RNA and दूसरा है DNA. So you can see the structure. So let us move further. So let us start with the 32th question. Name two types of nucleic acid. So there are two types of nucleic acid, ribonucleic acid, which is RNA, and a deoxyribonucleic acid, which is DNA. RNA are found mainly in the fluid of a living cell. RNA जो होता है वो साइटोप्लाज्म में पाया जाता है, while DNA was found primarily in the nuclei of the living cell. So DNA जो होता है वो nuclei में पाया जाता है. So let us move to the next question. Draw the structure of the sugar component. So sugar component का structure हमें बनाना है. So this is the structure of the sugar component. It is the D-ribose which is present in the RNA, and it is a 2-dehydroxy D-ribose which is present in the DNA. The difference between the structure, let me show you the difference. In the RNA there is a OH group present here, and in the DNA there is a no OH group present here. So this is the difference between the two structures, so you can remember the structures. So let us move to the next question. Nitrogenous base. So there are 5 nitrogenous bases. Total 5 nitrogen containing bases are present in nucleic acids. So 3 bases with 1 ring. We have cytosine, uracil and thymine, और इनको हम लोग pyrimidines कहते हैं. And the 2 ring structures are the adenine and guanine, जिसको हम लोग purines कहते हैं. So each base is designed by a 1-letter symbol, which is cytosine का C, इसका U, इसका T, and adenine का A and guanine का G. Uracil occurs only in RNA and thymine occurs only in DNA. This is an important statement. So let us move further. What are nucleotides? So nucleotides क्या होते हैं? So nucleotides are formed by adding a phosphate group to the 5-OH of the nucleoside. Thus, nucleotides are monophosphates of nucleosides. So you can see in this structure, if there is no phosphate group here, then it is a nucleoside. This structure is known as a nucleoside. And when the phosphate group is bonded, then it is known as a nucleotide. And the phosphate group is bonded on the 5th OH. So this we will see further also. So let us move further. So what is a gene? It is the sequence of the bases in DNA which carries the genetic information of the organism. Simple definition. So this is the gene, the chromosome, this is the DNA, and you can see the gene in the DNA. So let us move further. 37th question. Okay, so this is use your brain power. So draw the structural formula of nucleosides formed from the following sugars and bases. So for this question I will be giving you a hint. So what you have to the reaction is between D-ribose and a guanine, and you have to make a nucleoside. So the hint for the first one is we have taken the D-ribonucleose, and here I have taken cytosine, but according to the question what you have to take? You have to take guanine. Okay, so accordingly you take the guanine structure. As you take the guanine, here you will get the guanine structure. Accordingly it will join. and the second one deoxyribose, and here you will have a thymine structure, and here the thymine group will make a bond, so it will form accordingly. So let us move further. 38th question. Okay, so this is a remember, it can be asked as an MCQ में आ सकता है. So a nucleic acid contains a backbone consisting of the alternating sugar and a phosphate group. Backbones of all types of DNA contains the sugar 2-dehydroxy D-ribose, while the RNA contains the sugar D-ribose. So this we studied further. The identity and the sequence of the bases distinguish only polynucleotides from the other. The polynucleotides have one free phosphate group at the fifth end. So 5' एंड पे जो रहता है वो फ्री फॉस्फेट ग्रुप रहता है, और 3' एंड पे जो होता है वो फ्री OH ग्रुप होता है. So this is important. So now let us move to the 39th question. So write the sequence of the complementary strand of the following portion of the DNA molecule. So you have given here the 5' end and the 3' end, on which में you are given a strand. So इसका हम लोग को alternate strand लिखना है. So alternate strand जो होता है वो उल्टा होता है, तो इस तरफ 3' आ जाएगा, you can see here 3' and इस तरफ 5' आ जाएगा. A का कॉम्प्लीमेंट होता है T, G का कॉम्प्लीमेंट होता है C, and this is a DNA strand. कैसे पता चला? तो इसमें T है थाइमाइन, और थाइमाइन DNA में होता है. So this way आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स लिखने हैं खाली. So thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. So we will have the next video on one shot revision with the JEE Mains and NEET concepts. So thank you.